It's easy to imagine why early inhabitants would credit a mythic giant with the creation of this extraordinary setting. But the 40,000 interlocking basalt columns of the Giant's Causeway were actually formed by a volcanic event more than 50 million years ago. Deep below the surface, shifting tectonic plates forced massive volumes of molten rock through fissures in the surface to create layers of basalt rock. Wind, rain, and waves carved a valley. More volcanic eruptions followed. Lava flowed quickly in thick streams.
The valley filled up with lava until it was 100 meters deep. It was 1,200 degrees Celsius. And it's like everything. If you boil a kettle, it'll cool down. The pool of lava had to cool down.
Lava at the bottom of the valley cooled slowly. Then, like mud in a shallow pond on a hot day, as the lava cooled, it contracted and cracked in even patterns. During the Ice Age, glaciers scraped away at the top layers of rock. When the ice retreated, sea levels rose, and pounding waves wore away at more rock. Variations in the rate of cooling produced the honeycomb-like monument that stands today. Columns can reach 39 feet tall, while the solid lava deposits in the cliffs measure more than 90 feet thick.